गोंयांतलें खंय तरी गोंय शेणलां. आतां ते दीस उरूं ना. ते निरपणस, ती पोंचुलां, ती साठां, ते लोणचें, खळांतली आमली सगळें काबार जालां. उकड्या तांदळाचें शीत खंय मेळटा, ओम्यातलें उदकूय ना. भाज्यो बेळगांवच्यो आनी आमच्यो भाज्यो खंय गेल्यो. अशा वेळार फेसबुकार एक लायव्ह व्हिडिओ पळयलो. नावेलीच्यो 2 भयणींनी गोंयकारपण सांबाळपाक एक बारीकशें पावल मारलां.
आम्ही आसा आता हिंगा गोवन फार्मर्स मार्केट and it says buy local eat local. आमचे पायनॅपल लोकल, मागीर आमचे केळी आसा, अवोकाडो, पपाया, पातपणस, आमी म्हणटा निरपणस, मागीर हिंगा आहा अवोकाडो, मागीर ते धाकट्यो आमच्यो रोपयो बी आसा. आनी आमचे बाय शेअर आहा, ते हिंगाचे ओनर आसा. बाय शेअर, तुमी कितें कितें विकता हिंगा?
आमी सगळे गांवठी येपार विकताय, वेजिटेबल्स.
ओके.
आनी विनाग, तेल, पिकल्स, जॅम,
ओके.
हनी, स्पायसेस.
थारायलें वच्चें पासयेक तांकां मेळपाक. गोंयकारांक गोंय आपयता. नमस्कार, येवकार तुमकां. आनी आमी सद्या पाविल्ले आसा नावेली, आनी आमी ज्या वाड्यार आसा त्या वाड्याचें नांव आसा नागमोडे. आनी एक दुकान जे रस्त्या कुशीक आसा ह्या वाड्यार आनी प्रत्येकाचें अटेन्शन ग्रॅब करता तें म्हणजे दी फार्मर्स मार्केट. फार्मर्स मार्केट हो कॉन्सेप्ट पयलीं सुरू जाल्लो मडगांव, पूण कांय वेळा खातीर पॅन्डेमीक आयलो आनी ताज्या उपरांत थंय तो मार्केट भरना जालो आनी ताका लागून हांगा तांणी शिफ्ट केल्लो आसा एक बारीकशा दुकानाच्या स्वरुपांत. पूण हांगा ज्यो गजाली मेळटल्यो त्यो गोंयच्यो ओरिजिनल गजाली. सो आमी पळोवया आनी मेळुया आनी जाणा जावन घेवया की फार्मर्स मार्केटाचो कॉन्सेप्ट कितें आनी तुमकां कितें मेळटलें. आमचे बरोबर आसा कियारा विएगस. Madam, thank you very much.
Thank you for coming.
You are the owner of this market.
Yes, these are all locally sourced fruits, vegetables. We don't have any vegetables at the moment, but otherwise we do have vegetables, fruits, rice, oil, vinegar, all locally sourced, all grown in Goa, made in Goa, and homemade products.
How did you thought of this concept of having only exclusive Goan products?
We felt there was a need to promote our own artisans, to promote our own farmers, and we felt that we needed to give them a platform where they could showcase their produce and also make it easily available to the customers. At the time when I moved back to Goa, I was looking for locally sourced, locally grown fruits, vegetables, and it was very difficult to find. A lot of times, even the women in the markets, the local women who would be selling fruits and vegetables, are not necessarily selling Goan, locally grown fruits and vegetables. They were honest enough to tell us that, but I thought maybe we need to do something about it. So my sisters and I and my brother-in-law Ian, we started this Goan farmers market, like you mentioned earlier. And then when the pandemic hit, we opened this little shop. And now farmers and also people around who are growing in their backyards, they bring us excess produce and supply us fruits, vegetables, which is all grown chemical-free.
This is avocado.
This is avocado, yes.
Okay. And from where you get this?
Now this is from someone's backyard. They had a bumper harvest this year, so he brought us 15 kilos of avocados yesterday.
And this is sold per kilo.
Per kilo, we sell it.
What is the price?
It's 250 rupees.
Nirpanas asa.
Nirpanas.
He kone adun dila?
Nirpanas, again, one of our neighbors, he had excess in his backyard. He can't eat so much of breadfruit, so he asked me, can you please sell it to me?
So these are not necessarily farmers.
These are not
the
necessarily farmers. There are some people who have farms exclusively, like in Kepe and Bali and Nefravali, and who supplies with other items. But most of the fruit is from around the village, and like they bring us excess.
So it's more of an excess, which is.
Yes, some people like who grow bananas and other fruits exclusive, they also supply us. But a lot of it is also from around the village. Whenever people have surplus, they bring it.
So they come regularly and supply it to you, or once a week, or what is the duration?
It depends on the harvest. So they call us and they say that we have these bananas we like, because we are not a big shop, so we are not able to buy in bulk also. So we, according to our requirements, we tell them to bring like jackfruit So whatever is
They drop it
seasonal
here.
produce, they bring it and they. Initially when we started, we had to even go and pick up. But now a lot of people have come to know about this market, so it's getting easier to source it. They come and they bring it to us.
Okay, and there are some trees also.
Yes, so we have plants as well, some
There are
plants
plants.
and
Yeah.
not ornamental, mostly fruiting and
Fruit
medicinal
are-
plants. Yeah.
Okay, and this also you sell. These are from where?
This is from Kankon.
Kankon Channel. This is your shop.
Yes.
There are a lot of bottles. This is coconut oil.
Coconut oil.
हातून आता ही खंय तयार करता?
Now this is from a farm. They have a farm in Netravadi. So they have supplied us with coconut oil.
हां.
But a lot of times we also get it from people who have a lot of coconut trees in their backyard and they have excess oil. They give it.
You have your own branding.
So
here.
this is our own branding. Yeah. So the
Okay,
branding
this
is
is
ours.
coconut oil.
Yes. Sir.
This is ginger wine.
Yes. We have some homemade wines also.
Who makes this wine?
This wine I make. This wine I make.
Huh.
But then the other wines are made by my uncle.
Okay. This is wine proper.
This is wine. Yeah.
Okay.
Homemade wines, but so the alcohol percentage is not very high.
हाँ. Tight जाएगा. Okay, and this is
These
Pineapple
are
squash.
fruit juices, yes, squashes. So this
kokum
is
squash.
pineapple squash, kokum squash. We also have mango squash. This is ginger lime cordial, which is with lemons and limes. These are all jams,
These are all jam.
homemade jams.
कांचे ये कोण पॅकेजिंग कोण करता आणि
आम्ही
पहिले?
करतात.
तुम्ही करता.
These jams are made by us.
हां. आणि भायल्यान समज कोणी सप्लाय केलं, someone is producing bulk jam.
Okay.
So तुमका हाडून दिवपाचे तुम्ही पॅकेज
होय, आम्ही package करून देतो. Because we have FSSAI license. So
Okay.
आम्ही
तुम्ही पॅकेज a license बी घेऊन जाऊ.
होय.
So it's not just for the sake of doing, you have done it
No,
properly.
we said we have to do it properly. We got permissions
हां.
from the panchayat.
आणि this is
This is a stuffed mango pickle with barilla tora ani.
काढू. Okay, this is stuffed mango pickle. ₹25 per piece. So you sell this per piece.
Yes.
And if I want to buy this entire jar into number of pieces.
Into number of pieces. Yeah. So we have like see these jars which are pre-packed and kept if somebody wants.
You have smaller jars.
Yes.
Okay, this is 225. मेजून घालता कितें?
Well,
Okay, and then this is Narla's
this is Narla's.
coconut flavor. Narla is a startup.
Yeah.
It's based in Navelim.
It's based in Navelim. Yes.
How is the response of people? लोक येता first of all.
Yes, we get a lot of people, but I think Navli is a bit, it's a little away from the city. So I wouldn't say that it's as brisk as we would have expected, but and the rains also have kind of affected business. But I would say it's doing well. I'm happy with the response. Only this last month or so it has been a bit because of the rains. It has
आणि
footfall
कोण
has
येता
been
म्हणजे खंयचे एरियेंतले लोक येता?
mix actually. कित्याक आमचे पयलेचे followers, we have the followers from before who used to come to the market, so they know about the shop, so they come. Then we have people from around the village who, when they're passing by, they stop, especially for fruits and things like that. They like local fruits. And then afterwards, on Facebook, Instagram, also people get to know about the shop, and they either call us to if we can deliver, like if they're far away in Kankon, Mapsa, and North Goa. They ask for delivery, and so it's a
तुम्ही
mix
home delivery
actually.
करता?
होय, आम्ही home delivery.
How much do you charge for
We-
example? बारीक करता काय तुका bulk order घ्यायची पडटा?
We tell them it's like a minimum order of about 500 or so for deliveries. We also courier stuff across India.
Okay.
Yeah, so we've
So
sent
गोंयकार
parcels
जर
of-
भायर आसा,
होय.
गोंया भायर आसा जाल्यार
होय.
ताका ताणें सांगल्यार तुमी courier
होय, आम्ही
करता.
courier करता. We charge on as per actuals. So we have delivery partners that we work with. We whatever their charges, we have worked out rates with them. They've given us some kind of nominal rates. Whatever the charges are, we inform the customers.
किती एका दिसान पावता? 1-2 दीस लागता आसता.
To other states, 2-3 days लागतात. In
आणि-
Goa, we send the same day.
Same day.
Yeah, in a few hours they get delivered.
Few hours. म्हणजे सकाळी ऑर्डर केल्यार सांजचे लोणचें घालून जेवपाक मेळटा. ओके. So Anna, okay, something which is out of my bound. This is what?
These are beauty products. So we have some handmade soaps. These are lip gloss. Then some aloe vera gel, cactus gel, kajal. This is a balm for to keep mosquitoes away, insect repellent.
हाँ.
Then this
Bug
is
off balm.
yeah. This is a
ये
foot
कौन
balm.
तैयार करता?
This is a girl called Gloria. She runs this startup called Agathos Essentials.
हाँ.
So she's from Shandor.
शानदार ते तैयार करता. Okay. That is also a startup.
Yeah, that's also a startup.
Okay.
So these
And
are
all are Goan startups.
Yes. these are all-
Essentially Goan people.
Yes.
Check करता है तू पहली. गोयकारच करता काय ना.
No, not necessary. As long as it's locally made. Yeah.
Okay. I need toothbrush.
Right.
And this is
Those are sanitary napkins. These are compostable sanitary napkins.
okay. And these are toothbrush.
So these are few sustainable products we have. We're like we encourage people to use less plastic. So we have like these straws,
This is
toothbrushes.
toothbrush.
Yeah.
And here a straw.
Yeah, stainless steel straws.
म्हणजे परत वापरता.
होय.
Okay.
That way, say plastic you use once and you throw it away. Stainless steel straws can be used several times.
Okay. आणि this is that brush.
Yeah, that's a toothbrush.
हे किद्यानसून केला? This is
Bamboo.
wood, bamboo.
Bamboo toothbrush.
Sorry. आणि हे
This is nylon.
nylon. Okay. Okay. So काहीच प्लास्टिक ना जातं
होय.
त्याच्या फोमाचं. Okay. And also some of these things which we usually find. Local is better.
Yes.
And this is
Those are pickles.
lemon pickle. Dry ginger powder. Okay.
These are those craft items where this.
This is also by Narla.
Yeah.
Okay. And these are like ये भी ये किद्याचे ये घुमट?
This is made of mud. This is of
हाँ,
terracotta
ये
clay. This is goat skin.
goat skin.
Goat skin,
आता
yeah.
goat skin use.
Oh, yeah, the goat skin.
Bare
First it was monitor lizard skin.
हाँ.
Ata they don't use that. Now they use goat skin.
आणि ये करपी गोंयकार
होय.
हे कोणे केला?
ये बिचोली सा हाटा है हमें.
बिचोलेच्या
होय.
ओके.
These kunnes are from Sukkur.
हां.
Sukkur.
Sukkurच्या.
होय.
हे ऑल ओव्हर गोयच्या
All
ना
over,
हाडटा.
yeah.
अशें ना की
Yeah,
नावेली.
these are not made from in Goa. These are from outside
हाँ.
Goa.
पण बुया म्हटल्यार
होय.
गोंयचे. ओके.
ये Dola, this one of our neighbors in Kolba makes it.
हां. हे यूज करपाक मेळटा काय
होय.
स्टायलिंग?
ना यूज करपा मेळटा. होय.
हां.
हे मातशे व्हडले हा even the big ones like for buffet bhi asat tani look for the weddings and all
हाँ.
they take the bigger ones
कोण
even
म्हणना
for-
नी कट्टेन वाढले बी.
even for roasts and all no kajache roast bhi asat
हाँ.
they use these
कट्टेचे.
dolos होय.
ओके. ती स्मॉल दोलो, बिग दोलो.
Yeah.
ओके. Okay, and gardening adds your years to your life and life to your years. Okay. And you also have more products. And पाटले आसा.
होय.
आता लोक यूज करता पाटले बी
होय.
शेतांनी.
When they have pados, mango pado and coconut pado, then they use it.
Pado.
And a lot of people take the small ones, like they use in their bathrooms to keep towels and other accessories, or even
हे
these.
उदकान काय जायना.
They've already been put in water, so they put in salt water.
हे खंयच्यान हाडटा तुम्ही?
This is from Kunkoni.
उकळे तयार करता.
This is upcycled denim bags.
हाँ.
This is made from old jeans.
Okay.
Yeah, so instead of throwing old jeans away, she's a local designer.
Huh.
She's from Navelim. She makes these products.
Ecosia.
Yeah, that's her style.
मी कोणाला जीन्स बी पिनली बिनली जाल्यार दिली जाल्यार ते
She makes different items. She makes denim jackets. She makes cushion covers. A few of her bags she has kept here on display, but she makes a lot of other
Upcycling
products.
also. And you have cloth bags.
Cloth bags, yes. So The idea is to use as little
So
plastic.
no plastic.
Yes, so that's why you see it's all filled in glass jars.
Ah.
Then we pack in paper bags, or if people bring their own containers, we pack it in that.
So personal life only you also don't use plastic, or
Yes.
this is just for...
No, that's why we started the store, and we said we have to follow the same concepts. You know, we have to encourage people to use less plastic.
You are partnered with your sister.
My sister, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And she's also of the same thinking.
Yes.
Okay.
So at home also we make these natural cleaners. You know, we use this bioenzyme. So this is a citrus bioenzyme. It's made with citrus peels. So when it gets into the water, it doesn't affect water, doesn't affect the soil. There are no chemicals, and it's good for your
Zero
home
chemicals.
also. Yeah, zero chemicals.
Okay.
All
Again, I
natural
won't tell the
cleaners.
price. But they are very affordable price. आणि एक असता वचत ते की जेन्ना when you talk of local, there's also price which comes into picture because there is no bulk production.
Yes.
So तुका म्हारग पडटा सवाय दिवपा खातीर.
होय.
So bulk production असल्यार तुका सवाय पडटा
होय.
म्हणजे सवाय दिवपा मेळटा. सो हाजे प्रायसींग कोण डिसायड करता की हाका कितले प्रायस आसचो म्हणून?
So we see the costing, cost report, and then accordingly, if we compare to other stores similar to ours, and we check the pricing over there, and accordingly we decide the pricing. These pricings we check the market. Some of the products, other products like rice, choli, or sande, etc. We check the market rates, and we give you.
हांगा सोलाय आसा.
It does,
भिंडाची सोला. ओके. सो मार्केट प्राइस कोण डिसाइड करता
होय.
आणि हे जे आसा ते कॉस्टा प्रमाणे
Yes.
डिसाइड करता
Yes.
करपाक कितले लागता
होय.
आणि थोडेच प्रॉफिट
Yeah.
आणि हे फार्मर म्हणून आमी म्हणटात ते रायट फ्रॉम ते फ्रुट्स आसूं काय
होय.
हे यंग भुरगे फार्मर्स काय जाणटेले येता वॉट कायंड ऑफ पीपल एक्चुअली आर इंटरेस्टेड की चल बाबा आपण हांगा प्रोडक्ट
There is a mix actually. A lot of people who are supplying us with eggs and dairy farmers, the ones who bring us the local eggs, are all youngsters, like in their early 30s and things like that. Some of the some of the people who are growing vegetables. There's a lady who supplies like the oil you were asking me. The lady, she also grows mushrooms and all. Hers is also a new startup. She's just out of college a few years ago. So a lot of youngsters are getting into agriculture, and this is a way that we can encourage them by giving them a platform to showcase.
There is I don't think in and around here there is no such dedicated outlet for
No.
local.
There are a few other. I've seen in North Goa a few.
North Goa, but not in and around
Yeah,
Navelim.
exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then what is your future plan?
Future plans.
To have
up-
more outlets?
up-
Chain
yeah.
of farmers market?
Yes, God willing, one day.
Chain of
to
farmers
have
market.
to have some more stores, because a lot of people tell us come to the north, but we said we'll start here, we'll start small, we'll see the response, we'll see how it grows, and then accordingly take it from there.
केन्ना शॉर्टेज पडटा की बाबा लोकांचो डिमांड आसा म्हटल्यार फ्रुटाची शॉर्टेज
होय,
पडली
पडटा. पण आम्ही केन्ना we never bring anything that's not locally grown.
Okay.
And people keep asking us, Gaunti Epar, Gaunti, this is locally grown. We said yes, we'll rather tell the customer we don't have it, it's out of stock, rather than bring something.
Everything is organic.
It's all organic.
Compulsorily organic. Okay. Thank you very much
Thank
and
you so much.
all the best.
Thank you so much, Rupesh.
हे आशिल्ले फार्मर्स मार्केट गोवन फार्मर्स मार्केट हांगा जेन्ना गोंयकार म्हणटा आनी जेन्ना आमी फार्मींग म्हणटा आनी जेन्ना आमी म्हणटा की फार्मा कडेन भुरग्यांनी वचपा जाय तेन्ना तांचे प्रोडक्ट्स विकपा खातीर जागा क्रिएट करची पडटा आनी अशी एक जागा जी सद्या तरी ल्हान दिसता आनी वी वीश इट ग्रोज मोठी जावपाक जाय एंड इट बिकम्स अ मेजर सुपर मार्केट ऑफ गोवन फार्मर्स मार्केट. देव बरें करूं. तुमी पळयतात पासे ऑन युअर फेवरेट वेबसायट www.goanewshub.com. चॅनल पार्टनर्स आर RDX Goa and production partners are goabyland.com. Keep watching.